Welcome to EdTech Tuesday. I'm Jennifer Gibson.
And I'm Rich Dixon.
Okay, Rich, I love the name of this product that you brought to share, Flippity.net.
Yes, I know that there are a ton of different flashcard makers that are available via websites as well as apps. And we're going to take a look at this one because I think it does something a little unique today.
Let's
so
check it out.
make sure to visit Flippity.net. And when you do so, there's an opportunity, as you can see on the screen, to create a set of flashcards. What's nice about this site is that it really does two things well. It allows you to create these flashcards and it provides simple instructions. Secondly, it provides you with the opportunity of creating a Jeopardy show-style quiz.
Oh, I like that.
So let's take a little
that's
bit
great.
closer look at this. So first thing is that the website provides you with a free template.
Okay.
You're going to need to sign in with your
real
Google
quick.
account.
That's what I was going to ask you
So
about.
I was going to point this out.
Google
If
account.
you don't have a free Google account that the district or school has provided for you, you may want to sign up for one on your own in order to make all of this work. So the first thing you're going to do is when you click on the template link, you're going to make a copy of that by simply clicking Make a
so
Copy.
it's going into your Google Drive.
It's saving it.
Okay.
Now you see all this information that's been dumped in here. These are just sample questions and answers, and then colors for cards, and then any text color that you want. So you can
Wow.
modify, in this particular case, this sample set, and you can begin using this right away with your students. Now, the way that this could be used with students would be to project the quiz up on the board using a LCD projector. You could do it using an Apple TV or a Chromecast.
Sure.
Or you could simply hand out or pass along the link. And we'll show you how to do that here in just a quick sec. But at the end of the day, this is what it would look like. We're going to go right into the
So it has
flashcard
that,
itself.
that flashcard feel.
Yes.
Okay.
Students can click on it.
Right?
They can turn it over if they want. Side 2. They can see here what the answer is. They can go back.
Review it.
Exactly. And then they can move on. And you can see a list here of different questions and what the backside is, so that if you want to study in a different way, not just
and
with
I like
flashcards,
how
you
you've
can
got
do this.
the photos and the pictures that you've brought in.
And don't forget the videos as well. You can include that.
Wow,
And
that's
it
really
takes
neat.
just a little bit of reading on the instructions, but not too bad.
Okay.
You can also,
So there is some uptime in getting to know the product.
Yes.
Okay, so that's something you want to plan before you show up at school and want to implement this.
and I would say that uptime, that time that you're going to need to practice this, would be about 20 minutes the first time to get comfortable.
That's a fair amount of time.
Now,
I mean,
that being said, you're going to need to create your questions and customize the content.
Okay, you know
within
what
that
I'm going to
spreadsheet.
ask now.
Yes.
Are there other Flippity.net flashcard decks that you can use that are being shared?
Not that I've seen. There may be others that are out there, but not that I've seen linked on this site.
Okay, all right.
But let's go back and let's quickly take a look at the quiz show. And the reason I like this is because I used to spend lots of time using PowerPoint presentations
And the kids
modifying those
really
videos.
like studying with the
Yes.
Jeopardy-style.
And they make this very quick and easy. Same thing happens. This is a separate template. You can click to download. It'll go right into your Google Drive account. You click Make a Copy. Again, it's already been filled out, all the spreadsheet, with information, just as a placeholder.
So you have to change that out with what you
just by
need.
clicking inside of this cell,
Got
because
it.
this is a spreadsheet. And then you can go ahead and you can edit all of the different questions. And then right below each question is the answer.
I see students, doing this for their classmates as part of like giving sections out to study for a quiz or a test where they create this. So they're learning it and then they're sharing it with their classmates. I love that.
Exactly. One last thing I do want to show is that when you're done copying everything, don't forget to go to File, down to Publish to the Web. And this is going to make it freely available on the web. You're going to click Publish. So after you have gone through and clicked on Publish, the next thing you're going to do is you're going to copy, as the instructions say on the screen, that big long URL. And then you're going to click right inside of here on row 3. You're going to paste it right inside of there. And then when you're done, click here to go to your quiz show, which we'll do now.
Oh, there
Takes
it
a
is.
second.
Oh,
Again,
and I like how you have different teams there. That's great.
So you can go ahead and take care of tracking score yourself.
Why don't we have you try one of the Simpsons?
Oh, okay. So we'll click 200.
As far as giving the teams their points, how does that work? Do you click here? The teacher has to keep track of the answers.
So let's say that the teacher is asking the question team 2, it's their turn.
Right.
They're going to be kept track of their response
Got it.
throughout all of this by either awarding a point with a check mark.
Click to award a point. Okay.
Or if they didn't get it right, you'd click there.
Then it would go to the next team. Okay.
Exactly. So that's really how this works.
Oh, and you can add teams there,
And keep going with
that's
lots
great.
and lots and lots of teams. Looks like we can go maximum of 6, and we can probably bring it down assuming to just 2, which
So
is what
just
it is.
from what I'm looking at, it looks like you're going to need to play around with this and practice just a bit before jumping right into the classroom with it. But I don't think it looks like a lot of time to
No.
scale up on it.
But if you are looking for a simple set of templates for both flashcards and a quiz show, kind of like Jeopardy, this could be the solution for you.